AI is opening up insane new opportunities to make money online, especially if you're a developer or an aspiring developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start earning $1,000 a month or more if you're really motivated, using AI tools, even if you're a complete beginner. I built my own online side hustles to 6 figures a year since I was 26 years old. There's another video on this channel about that you can check out if you want to. But so many of the things I had to do and spend so much time on have gotten way easier now with AI, and pretty much anyone can do this. So let's get into it. The first thing that you could do is help companies automate their existing business with AI. Many businesses, especially non-tech ones, need AI consultants to help them integrate AI into their workflows. Just by offering services like setting up AI chatbots, automating email responses, optimizing customer support, or using AI content to streamline marketing, some of you, especially those who also work in tech like myself, would be truly shocked at some of the things that companies out there are still doing by hand. And you don't even need to be an expert in building any of these things just to start making $1,000 a month, offering your services even just to educate these companies. I know someone who works in affiliate marketing, and her company literally hired an AI consultant agency to come in and just do an info session for their whole company, basically just showing them how to use ChatGPT. Sometimes being in tech, we feel like everybody already knows this stuff, and we're 10 steps ahead worrying about building the next MCP server for Claude Sonnet integration. Meanwhile, you could just monetize an offering running training sessions or consulting on AI-powered automation tools. The second thing you could do to make $1,000 a month is building and selling AI tools. Now you might be thinking, that sounds really hard, I'm just a beginner, how am I supposed to be able to build an AI software app? Well, of course you could build AI tools like automated research assistants or AI agents, and there's tools out there that make these things easier to build than you would think. But you can also look at this from another angle, which is using AI tools to write your code faster, even if it's a non-AI app. For example, last weekend I built 2 apps and I barely wrote any code. One app was actually a Chrome extension that I actually built with a couple coworkers for a hackathon project, and it overlays and helps explain API documentation. The other is an app I built myself, which I'll talk more about in another video actually, but it relates to TikTok, and I actually built the entire app during the Super Bowl. I was at my friend's Super Bowl watch party, just hanging out with everybody, having snacks, watching the game, and I brought my laptop, and while I was watching the game, I just typed in some prompts into my Cursor IDE, into the Composer window, saying, this is my new React Native Expo project, write me code that does this, write me code that does this, and I just sat there and kept prompting it, and it built out all the features for me. Is it the best code I've ever seen or the most stable app I've ever created? Absolutely not. But I was able to actually build an entire mobile app in a few hours that's deployable while I was like only half paying attention. And sure, my experience as a career software engineer helps me be able to prompt better, move faster, know when I need to adjust solutions because the AI is not getting it quite right. But even if you're a beginner, just take it a little more slowly and carefully, and you could be able to build an app using AI tools much faster than you otherwise ever would have been, and you can at least get something to market and start seeing if there's interest from users. The third way to make $1,000 a month with AI is to monetize developer education content. Similarly to how you can consult with businesses to help them integrate AI into their workflow, you can create content or tutorials or YouTube videos that help developers learn how to use AI, and you can monetize that content to make money. Now, again, this might sound like something where you feel like you need to be an expert, but guess what? AI is moving really fast, and almost no one is able to keep up with it. Even people who work in tech, we're busy doing our jobs and doing other things. We can't spend every waking hour of our day researching all the newest things that are coming out in AI, because there's new stuff coming out every single day. I've been a software engineer for 6 years. I make a solid 6-figure salary. I'm good at what I do, but I watch YouTube videos all the time from people who know way less about programming than I do, but they happen to know about some very specific AI tool that I haven't seen yet. Even as someone who can write as much custom code as I wanted to, I'm still interested in the easiest, fastest, best way to do things. I have to learn about new tools from somewhere just like you do. And if there's a video that can help save me time instead of me having to read through all the documentation, figure it out myself, which I'm of course capable of doing, but instead of doing that, if I could just spend 5 minutes watching somebody's quick tutorial video, I don't care if they're a full-time software engineer or how much experience they have, I just care that they can give me the information that I want in a concise and efficient way. With new AI tools and platforms coming out literally every single day, there is more opportunity than ever for you to be able to create monetizable content around this. So guys, to sum it all up, AI is creating massive opportunities for developers right now. By helping businesses integrate AI, building AI-powered products, or teaching AI skills, you can easily make $1,000 a month or more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me down below how you've been making money with AI, and I will see you guys in the next video.